Since South Korea announced the commercial use of 5G at the end of 2019, 5G has blossomed all over the world and gradually changed people's lives. However, while enjoying the convenience of life brought by 5G, we also feel the capacity bottleneck of 5G, because its speed and performance are not as good as advertised. What is the reason why 5G does not play its original strength? The number of 5G base stations is insufficient, and the range of signal coverage and the bandwidth provided cannot meet a huge number of 5G terminals. So why are there insufficient 5G base stations? Of course, it's because of money. So, is there a way to improve the capability of the 5G network without changing the number of base stations? Yes, to enhance the capabilities of 5G base stations, FiberStamp's new 50G series front-haul optical modules can double the bandwidth of 5G base stations. Let's take a look at how FiberStamp helps operators achieve 5G network upgrades. "5G upgrade is that simple. FiberStamp's 50G front-haul optical module has double the bandwidth compared to the 25G series. But its performance is completely guaranteed because FiberStamp always puts the quality of its products in the first place, and the products for customers must pass strict reliability tests and various kinds of performance tests. All indicators must be higher than international standards. Like 5G gave full play to its due strength, make stuttering, delay, and disconnection a thing of the past, and let us look forward to a better 5G life together."